Hi guys, theresesohere. Good morning. I really want to go to the grocery today but I can't. So I'm really so thankful for this new app here in Pampanga. It's Let's Be. Sorry, puro 17 yung makikita niya. It's Let's Be app. Before, puro lang sila food deliveries and other rentals and everything. But now, they have their grocery store already. And I'm so happy because, yun nga, ang hirap na nagsaschedule kami ng grocery time. Pero yung groceries naman is local groceries. We can't go to the Korean groceries because now, kung saan located yung house namin, parang we will really go out of our way to go to the Korean groceries. So, I'm so happy na meron ng Let's Be. Let's order. Ayan na yung Let's Be. There. Meron silang food, grocery, real estate, used car accommodation, car rental, massage, and local business. Sa grocery tayo. Ooh, may special event sila sa grocery. May free face shield, 5% discount, free delivery, and free eco bag. Oh my gosh. Sulit na sulit. So, ayan. Meron mga may soju. Meron noodles, soda, coffee, and tea mix juice. Ano kaya? Oh my God. Ang hirap mamili. Okay, mamili na tayo. Siyempre, magsusoju tayo. Above. Oh, wow. May ganun pa. Tapos, noodles.
While waiting, I decided to clear up my bed and then play with my niece.
Good morning,
So cute.
baby girl. Good morning, baby girl. Good morning. Guys, ayan na. Nandiyan na yata yung Let's Be sa labas. So, magmamas tayo at mag-face shield. Always be safe. Sa akin yan! Ayan na. Yan.
Yung face shield
Ay,
po kayo.
okay. Thank
Opo.
you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po. Ayan na yung grocery. Yung grocery na Let's Be. So, guys, ayan na yung grocery. And, aalis ako. Punta kami sa office. So, maliligo muna ako bago natin tignan yung laman yan. Ayan, guys. All done. Ready na tayo to go out. Pero now, we're gonna fix our groceries sa labas. Let's go. Let's clean all this. This one is sterilize natin dun sa UV box natin. May libreng face shield yung order ko. Ang galing. Dami na namin ganito pero thank you, Let's Be. Tapos guys, look. Ang dami natin mga otogi meals. Ito yung mga binibili ko pag nasa Korea ko para mas mura yung meals ko. So, ayan. Mga 3-minute meals, 5-minute meals. Yung microwave lang. Although, hindi siya healthy, pero minsan talaga. Pag may isa ka, ito yung way to go. Pero hindi pa ako nagkakape. Ito yung babaunin natin for today. Lagyan na natin dito. Lagay ko muna sa ref para pag aalis kami, malamig siya. Tapos, meron tayong 4 na milk. Try natin lahat. Meron na akong na-try dito, pero yung dalawa hindi ko pa na-try. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin sa room. Ayan guys, meron tayong, sorry sa setup natin, meron tayong 4 na milk. Ito yung usual na iniinom ng mga tao sa Korea, which is banana milk or strawberry milk. Ito yung mga favorite ng mga Pinoy. Nakita ko lang na favorite siya ng mga Pinoy. And I don't wanna drink it dahil alam na rin natin yung lasa nito. Gusto ko tong baunin someday sa office namin. So, etong banana milk, natikman ko na din. Pero hindi ako fan ng banana and other things. Ito, in fairness naman, gusto ko naman siya. Hindi naman yung ayaw-ayaw ko siya. Pero, yun, medyo hindi ko talaga siya i-crave. Pero etong dalawang to, yung bagong flavors nila. Actually, hindi to bago. ko. Nakikita ko na to sa Korea, pero wala akong guts to try it dahil yung taste buds ko super arte. So, ayoko talaga siyang try nung una. Pero now, ito try natin. Try natin tong melon, tsaka lychee peach. Anong mas gusto niyo? Mini, mini mo. Ito na lang. Melon na lang. Mas safe ako sa melon. Tingnan natin kung anong lasa niya. Ah! What? Sarap! Para mong iniinom yung melona na ice cream. Ang sarap. Try natin naman ngayon yung lychee and peach. Ang weird. Lychee na milk. Sa bagay, hindi milk. Hindi talaga. Mixed emotions ako dito, guys. Kasi, parang ang sarap niya. Yung aftertaste niya, masarap. Pero yung first sip mo, parang weird. Siguro dahil hindi din sanay yung dila ko. Pero, weird talaga siya, guys. Hindi ko siya type. Mas gusto ko yung melon. Kian, I'll let you taste something. Come here! You try it.
Oh, melon's my favorite too.
Try it. Yummy?
Yes, melon's my favorite fruit too.
This one. This one. I will not show you what it is. You try it. You like it?
Ayoko.
Ayoko. Same thoughts, guys. Same thoughts
Then
si
I
Kian.
guess-
You want chicken popcorn? I can cook you chicken popcorn.
What's chicken popcorn?
I don't know. Also, I got it from the Korean store. You want?
Did you? Okay, I never tried it.
Okay, let's try the chicken popcorn. Let's cook the chicken popcorn for Kian. Let's go. Tara.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
The chicken popcorn is done. But some I will take along with me para sa sister ko. Ayusin natin dito yung groceries. Nilalagay namin dito kasi may mga friends kami na daga. So, kailangan itago ang mga food na lagi nilang kinakain. Lalo na yung mga Korean food. Ewan, lalo na yung kape ko. Gustong-gusto nila yung Maxim coffee. Kinakain talaga ng daga. So, eto. Ayusin na natin ang stash natin.
ISO. Indies. Yeah. Live free, speak your piece. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the
Bago tayo aalis, guys, ready na yung pambaon namin and everything. Pero, meron tayong short tutorial. Ito. Turo ko sa inyo paano mag-fold ng mga plastic bags. Kahit mga eco bags, plastic bags. So, eto na. Turo na. First, ayan, i-flat nyo muna. Tapos, fold both ends. Sa pang-fold. Tapos, yan. Wala kayo ng ganon.
Well, it's over, it don't matter if you black or you brown. City never sleeps, this the place that where hip-hop was found. Playground parks with the trees and the...
Tapos, pag konti na lang siyang ganyan, ito, papasok nyo sa loob. Tada! All done! Binabalang nila ako para akong estudyante. Hi! Lipat ako ng pwesto. Let's lipat. Ba, ayaw. Nakakalimutan ka. Ay, bahala.
Boss, di ba pinidyonan mo yung Lechong show? Punta, boss.
2,000 years later.
Eto, nasa bahay na kami, pero meron ako London Fashion Week in a few minutes. I'm gonna change my outfit and do my makeup, but first, I'm gonna make my citron tea first para lang ma-digest lahat ng kinain ko ng dinner. So, 2 spoons yung nilalagay ko. Let's get ready for Fashion Week. Maligo na ako. All done. Ayan na. Pero, naka-pajama ako. Ayan na. Accessorize na tayo. Ngayon, mag-makeup na tayo. Pa yung appointment ko, which is 10:30 here in the Philippines. So, ayan, the current time is, it's not focusing there. It's 10:06 now, and we're just gonna wait. I'm just gonna dry up my hair a little bit kasi there, but I don't really brush my hair, especially if I have something to do, because the curls will not be so good if I brush it up. I just scrunch my hair like this. Her last collection was also spring summer. Thank you. Bye. Ito na guys, post fashion week hanash. Pizza and soju. Meron din tayo Yakult dito. Kasi mag-celebrate tayo. Tapos na. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed tagging along with me. And check out Let's Be's app. Dahil ngayon, free delivery sila sa grocery service nila. So, if you're from Pampanga, you know what to do. You can check out Let's Be and makakapag-grocery din kayo in your home. Hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa Korean grocery if malayo kayo dyan or malapit man kayo dyan. Dahil COVID ngayon, we all need to be cautious, and as much as possible, okay na yung gamitin yung mga online services, utilize yung online services dahil gusto natin yung ma-minimize yung risk of having the virus. So there guys, I hope to see you in my next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Okay, bye! See you!